Hi everyone, Stephanie here. Welcome back to Torah and Grace. Today's video we are continuing to build up our prayer Bible and we are starting a new theme. This is the Bible how it started out as, and it is just a King James Bible. It's a pretty compact Bible. And so new theme, new washi tape. Look how cute this is. And so if you are new to this Bible series, this prayer Bible is for my 13-year-old son, and we're just building up this Bible for him, and we're tabbing it, different highlighters, different washi tapes, and this is how it looks so far. It looks so cool. I love it. This will be our third theme. I just love all the tabs. It looks so great. So our first theme that we did was strength, and I had quite a few verses on this one. So that one, I think there were about 60 or so verses. And then the second theme we did was guidance. And so I'll link those videos below. And I'm just going to start out with a regular Sharpie highlighter, and we're doing orange, and then we're going to tab it with the smiley face washi tape. In the front of the Bible, I just cut off little pieces of the washi tape, and I wrote which theme goes to which washi tape. And so what I've been doing that's really helpful, I think, is when I write the theme on the side of the page, I also highlight it that same color. So he'll know which tab goes to which verse, and I find that has been really helpful. Purity verses are so vital and so important for a young person, a teenager especially, and how, studying these verses, memorizing these verses, and, shows them and teaches them how to conduct themselves, how to be strong and courageous, how to protect their bodies, and look to the Father for wisdom and guidance and strength. And so very important as we teach our children, these, how to conduct themselves and pray, these scriptures on especially wisdom and verses that they can memorize and bring in their prayer life, and just day to day, just to remember these things and how they should be, how they, like I said, how they should conduct themselves. And as parents, as we teach them as well, but they could see it in scripture and they can study it out for themselves too. And so this, a prayer life is so needed, especially when, your body's changing and hormones and everything's going on during your teenage years. Not only is your parents teaching you, hopefully parents are teaching children these things and how to stay pure and fight off temptation. And not only are we saying these things to our children, our young adults, but they see it in scripture and they seek the Father. And it's just good habits to build, in their prayer life, their study time, and so very important. Prayer Bible concept is such a wonderful tool and can help strengthen your prayer life, your walk, and memorizing these verses, praying these scriptures over your life, over your family, over your friends. And it's such a wonderful thing. And I hope it inspires you guys to start a prayer Bible, just start tabbing and highlighting some of these verses. I do have in my description box some links. I have links to Amazon. I have a link to my website where you can view each theme. You could take a screenshot of the themes, and it'll have all the list of the verses that I have been using for strength, guidance, and now this purity theme. And so I hope that's helpful to you guys. And thanks so much for tuning in today and watching me continue to build up this prayer Bible. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and the next one will continue on with the theme purity. I know this one was a short one today, but I do go into more depth of a prayer Bible in the first video, so if you'd like, go check that one out. There is a playlist of all the videos so far. Thank you so much for joining me and watching today's video. I will see you guys on the next one. Shalom.